It's been almost 3 weeks of me starting my consistency journey. And if I told you that I didn't learn anything, then that would be a complete lie. If you saw my videos, I have been learning something new every day for almost 3 weeks now. That's 21 days. And I wanted to make a free jump starter because, like you saw my videos, I've already stayed consistent for almost 21 days, and I'm gonna stay consistent for at least 6 months. So I want to basically help you. Rather than start being consistent 6 months from now, I want you to start being consistent from today. And I basically go over the most common questions, the most common limiting beliefs, and the best techniques that you can use. Now, obviously, for the sake of the people that purchased my $50 product, I didn't put every good thing in it. I still kept some. The goal of this PDF is to make you consistent for at least 7 days. And one of the mindset frames that I teach in it is that consistency is a journey where you take steps. It's basically a staircase and you continue taking steps. Right now, you didn't take your first step. If you click on the PDF, that's taking the first step. If you do what I tell you to do, you're going to take at least 7 steps more. That means you're going to stay consistent for at least 7 days. If you genuinely think that it cannot help you and consistency is not for you, I want you to look at my channel. I literally stopped uploading 6 months ago and I continued now. So I could have stayed consistent 6 months from now, but I decided to stay consistent now. And if I can do it, I know you can do it because, bro, I sleep on the floor. I literally sleep on the floor. So I don't want you to get discouraged, and I don't want you to give up before you even try. I want you to help yourself. So for your sake, help yourself. Click on the link, read the PDF, and you got this. I believe in you.